Well, you've made the decision to file bankruptcy and you're wondering, will filing a bankruptcy lower my credit score? Unfortunately, the FICO scoring system is proprietary in nature, and while the filing of a bankruptcy will certainly lower your credit score, unfortunately, I can't tell you how much, but it will definitely lower the score. It's an adverse credit event on your credit report. There are some things you can do after your bankruptcy to help you reestablish and rebuild your credit. The first and most important is, after your bankruptcy is over, get a copy of your credit report. It is impossible to rebuild credit on an inaccurate credit report. The fundamental of rebuilding your credit requires that your credit report be correct. And after a bankruptcy, that means that all of your trade creditors are listed with zero balance and having been included in your bankruptcy. Once your credit report is correct, you're on your way to rebuilding your credit after your bankruptcy and enhancing your credit score. Somebody who's good at this should be able to reestablish their credit into a normal months. My name's Andy Foreman. Good luck with rebuilding your credit after bankruptcy.